Oh, look at this. It's some cat cleaning action. We got some cleaning. We got one cat cleaning another cat right there. Does she like that shit? I think so. I can't get to her. Go back to what you're doing. Look at that tongue. That fucking awesome friggin' Quinn tongue right there. Man, that's like a premium cat car wash. Like, Quinn has like the Gene Simmons of tongues going on. He's like, I know you're talking about me, bud. Yeah. I'm just wondering if she's gonna like this or like start fighting him. This might be a trick to get the basket because he just jumped in there and started giving her. Aw, are they gonna settle down? Nope. She's still not clean enough. She hasn't met the standards of, you know, that stuff. Man, they look the same size from here, but like Quid is like the tiniest cat and Nymeria is the biggest one. This is a weird angle. Look at him, he's going right to it. He's giving her, man. She's just like, whatever, I'm sleeping. Oh. Oh! Oh, wow. She must be really dirty. Good morning. That's a nice way to wake up with Quinn's long-ass tongue licking you up. Well, that's, oh, she's giving it back. Oh my god, this is getting kind of, like, they're getting pretty fresh with each other at this point. These guys are awesome, man. Like, if you guys don't have cats, get cats. Get them. Uh-oh. I'm just waiting for this to turn into chaos because every time they start to do stuff like this, somehow it just disintegrates into like a fucking cat war of some kind. Wow. She's like, check it out, man. Quinn's not the only one who has a cool tongue. I wonder if people are gonna watch 3+ minutes of cats licking each other. Conky? Are you out? Get in on this. Get into the lick party. Come here. Ah, he's not into it. Oh, these guys. I could just watch them all day. If only I didn't have work to do. Alright, I think I'll call it. But yeah, these fucking cats, man. You gotta love them. You gotta love these cats. Creaky ass chair. Yeah, he's really getting into those long ass like ear whiskers. Conky, get in on this. Get in on it, man. Get in on it. Alright, this is getting silly. Nothing's cool's happening. You guys get it. Cats licking each other. Premium cat licking action. So, yeah. There you go.